the equipment is working really well.
Yeah, it was very easy. Just one button away from welding.
It was really good. It was a shaky experience at the beginning, but I thought that it was good to kind of actually get used to it and get on it. So I had a good time.
Hi, I'm Joe from the Red Bench.
And I'm Mac from the Red Bench.
We just want to thank Miller so much for their support.
Thank you to Miller.
And we're looking forward to the years to come.